Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts. We have a left side and two right side brackets. Furthermore, we have two M10 by 25 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers, one 6 by 45 millimeter long Allen bolt plus washer, one M8 by 40 millimeter long countersunk Allen bolt, three M8 by 20 millimeter long countersunk Allen bolts, and three M8 by 25 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers. Tools: ratchet plus extension, 10 millimeter and 17 millimeter hex sockets, 5 millimeter Allen key or socket, two spacers, 20 millimeter and 27 millimeter. And then mount the left hand side bracket. Use the supplied 10 millimeter diameter bolts plus the washers. Turn the bolts a few times and leave them loose until the end. Now on the right side, line up the mounting holes, put in the M8 by 20 millimeter long bolt, apply blue or medium strength Loctite. Now the front end, M6 by 45 millimeter hex head bolt, and then the large spacer on the back side. Now mount the supplied short bracket. Apply blue Loctite on the bolts. Leave them loose. Now mount the skid plate, line up the mounting holes, grab the M8 by 20 millimeter long countersunk Allen bolts, apply blue Loctite, turn it a few times. Once again at the front, turn it only a few times. Now on the left hand side, M8 by 40 millimeter long countersunk Allen bolt, and then the large spacer on the inside. Go to the front end, line up the mounting holes, put the bolt in, turn it a few times. At this point, you can gradually tighten all the bolts, and then the very last step is to fully tighten all the bolts. After a test ride, double check all the bolts once again. Thanks for watching.